Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Galloway. I am a digital marketer where I help people make money online. Okay, before you can even buy that uh, product from that person, you should research that. You should investigate it. Don't just automatically buy it because it look good. No, you should buy it. You should look into it to see if that's right for you. Okay, cause we need to know like what is your goals, what is your goals, and what why do you want to start this business? Why do you want to make this amount of money? Do you want to go on trips? Do you want to go on go buy that dream home, buy that dream vehicle, whatever you want to buy, or you want to own your own. You want to start you like own a company or something, and you want that's why you want to start make money and start a business. Yeah, we got to know that why you want to start that. But if you are interested any product I am offering, please send me a message and send me a message and I will respond because you got questions about the product or you want me to coach you. If you want me to coach you about how to coach you about getting your business off the ground if you already have one, or you want me to coach you to to help you get started with a business, I can help you with that. Okay, if you are interested, just let me know. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please send me a message and say I subscribe to your channel. Okay, and you cause like other other business, like when you buy their product, they don't want to they not gonna like sometimes they okay you looking for you had questions about the product or you had questions about something you have trouble in the back office and you need help. I will be there for you. I will help you because I got a product and I will and like I got a product and when I had questions about a product when I first signed up with program. That program, nobody answered me. Nobody helped me. Nobody didn't even help me at all. That's why I end that program. I ended. I got my refund and everything, and I just said, "Oh," because nobody didn't want to help me at all, and that's why I looked for another product, and I researched it. I keep research and looking and see and checking the views on it and see how good people love the product, and that's how I found this product. And cause you can go on trips, vacation, you can sell like do a high ticket program, a coaching program. You can do that. We got all kind of programs. If you are interested in anything, I will help you. I will be your coach. I will train you. I will help you. If you need help, I will train you. I would not leave you in the dark. I would not take your money and walk away and don't even help you all. I will be there because I don't just do like other people. They don't coach you how to help you with the program you having and how you supposed to get sales and stuff. I will coach you. If you need help, I will coach you. If you are coachable, if you're coachable, I will help you. Cause sometimes some people is not coachable, but most time everybody is coachable. If you need help, I will help you. If you ready to get started, just let me know. Send me a message and say I'm ready to get started, and I will send over the information and I will get you like where you just book a call with my team, me and my team. We will help you get started with the program if you are ready to get started. Okay? Because they the one, my team's the one that can tell you how much the program costs and how much and what all you have to do to get to sign up for the program. That's where my team's there for, to help you. If you need help, just let me know. Just let me know. Don't send me a message or you scared to send me a message. You can send me a message anytime and I will respond to it. I will send you a message. Okay? I will I will respond to that message. If you okay? You just need to don't be scared of it, because sometimes, see, I know some people scared to make video. That's what I was. I was scared to make videos. Was scared to get on social media and stuff. I was scared. And then later, after that, I got. That's why I'm not scared. I start doing a lot of videos and stuff. And yeah, cause you will. It take time. It don't like happen overnight where you gonna make a sale overnight. No, it take time. This business is hard, cause people got to get to know you. Okay. If you have any more questions, please, please send me a message. Okay. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay. And you can get all the video, all the information you need. Cause that's where, when you subscribe to my channel, you can get all the videos I be making, and you can get all the questions, the training, wherever. You can get all the information from me. Okay. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for watching my video, and have a nice day. And I'll see you at the top.